In lesson number 4, supply analysis. Supply analysis means nothing but the producer or the total amount of goods or services available for sale at any specified price is known as supply. For example, for example, the total amount, the total amount of specific or services that is available to a seller. Now, for example, there is a one person. Okay, we take an example of which company, student. Now today I will, here we take an example of iPhone. Okay, iPhone. Now the total amount of specific goods or services. First of all, iPhone is a goods or services, student. Let me know from you. Now iPhone कंपनी के पास the iPhone company made a stock, manufactured a stock. Now he has 25,000 iPhones. Now he has 25,000 iPhone for a sale. For a sale, okay? So it means this is a supply. What they had written? They had written the total amount of specific goods or services that is available to a seller. The total amount of goods or services available for sale in any specific place is known as supply. That is iPhone company but from 25,000 the available for sale is only 10,000. So this is nothing but supply. 20,000 is nothing but supply. We can take a best example, that is vaccination. The COVID vaccine, okay, the COVID vaccine in the today's scenario, because of the supply, the demand is more here. The demand is more of vaccination, of vaccine, but because of less manufacture, okay, and because of supply, because of lower supply, the demand is not fulfilled. Or services that is available to a seller and the total amount of goods or services available for sale for any specific price, okay, there is any specified price. We can take an example of vaccine. Nowadays we are getting two vaccines, okay, there are two company vaccines are there, Covishield and Covaxin. The Covishield price is 500 or max to max 700 and Covaxin price is 1200. Yes, so here the prices according to the company, and that's why they are saying of any specified price, of any specified price. तो जितने कम and then stop. Total output is nothing but the sum of the total quantity, the sum total of the quantity of commodity produced of a given period of time in the economy. For example, what is the meaning? As a sum total of the quantity of the commodity produced. Now we had one company that is, we take an example of dry fruits, okay, we take an example of dry fruits. In this dry fruit company, total output can be defined as the sum total of the quantity of the commodity produced. Now what happened, because there is a one company that is XYZ dry fruit company, okay, how many tons he produced dry fruit, okay, how many tons he produced, that is 2500 tons, 2500 tons he produced dry fruit. अब तक उसने कितने प्रोड्यूस, he needed some machineries, he needed some machineries, because without a handlooms machinery he will not able to make a cloth, वो कपड़े बना नहीं पाएगा. Okay, he will not able to make a cloth. So machineries हो गए. Okay, then raw material, मेन थिंग रॉ मटेरियल दैट इज कॉटन. जब कॉटन कन्वर्ट हो जाता है फिनिश गुड में यानी कि क्लोथ में, ओके, एट दैट टाइम क्लोथ इज कॉल्ड एज टोटल आउटपुट. क्लोथ इज कॉल्ड एज टोटल आउटपुट. whenever the raw material convert into finished good, so हमारा प्रोडक्शन रेडी हो जाता है. And the total production at a given period of a time is nothing but the total output. Is nothing but the total output. Now stock is nothing but, first of all, stock is a total quantity of a commodity available for a sale with the seller at a particular point of a time. But we can see here, this is a stock. Stock is nothing but there is a n number of product. Okay, यहाँ पे बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट हैं, बहुत सारे मैंगोज हैं, बट इनमें से कितने मैंगोज वो सेल करेगा, दैट इज सप्लाई. बट फर्स्ट हमने देखा टोटल आउटपुट. टोटल आउटपुट इज नथिंग बट द प्रोडक्शन. ओके, प्रोडक्शन, प्रोड्यूस प्रोडक्ट is nothing but the total output. When raw material is convert into finished good, जब भी raw material, जैसे कि हमने देखा कॉटन जब क्लोथ में कन्वर्ट होता है, that cloth is nothing but the total output. So here after production, प्रोड्यूस होने के बाद जो हम लोग वेयर हाउस में रखते हैं, ओके, वी विल कीप इन द वेयर हाउसेस. आफ्टरवर्ड वी विल kept in the, okay, let me, in warehouses, or cold storage. कोल्ड स्टोरेज इज़ फॉर द पेरिशेबल गुड, जैसे कि मिल्क हो गया, वेजिटेबल्स हो गया, इनके लिए कोल्ड स्टोरेज यूज़ करते हैं. तो वी विल कीप आवर कमोडिटी, आवर प्रोडक्शन, आवर टोटल आउटपुट in this cold storage or warehouses, and then it is called as stock. So stock is nothing but the available quantity for sale. But it is a, by increasing production stock can be increased. जैसे जैसे प्रोडक्शन इंक्रीज होते जाएगा स्टॉक इंक्रीज होते जाएगा. But without stock, supply is not possible. Yes, without stock, supply is not possible. Why? Because अगर कमोडिटी ही रेडी नहीं रहेंगे, प्रोडक्शन ही रेडी नहीं रहेगा, तो सप्लाई पॉसिबल है क्या? फॉर एग्जाम्पल people are demanding for vaccination. Okay, people are demanding for vaccine, but इंजेक्शन ही रेडी नहीं है, वैक्सीन ही रेडी नहीं है, तो फिर सप्लाई हो पाएगा क्या? नो, नॉट पॉसिबल. सो दैट्स वाई स्टॉक इज वेरी मच इम्पॉर्टेंट. जैसे जैसे टोटल आउटपुट और जैसे जैसे प्रोडक्शन इंक्रीज होते जाएगा, स्टॉक इज ऑल्सो इंक्रीज्ड. स्टॉक इज ऑल्सो इंक्रीज. So here stock is very important. Why stock is important? Because sometime what happened, demand increase हो जाता है. Okay, demand is getting increased in the, now the main thing that is supply. We have seen that supply means what? Supply means nothing but the, it is a one type of process, a total amount of goods and services that is available to a seller and for sale. जो सेलर के पास अवेलेबल है और वो सेल करना चाहता है. ओके, सो इट इज नथिंग बट सप्लाई. बट सप्लाई इज ऑलवेज अ रिलेटिव टर्म. रिलेटिव टर्म मीन्स व्हाट, ये किससे रिलेट करता है? इट इज ऑलवेज रिलेट विथ प्राइस, टाइम एंड क्वांटिटी. in demand in demand we have seen that demand is relate with price and quantity demand. मतलब जैसे प्राइस इंक्रीज होगा, क्वांटिटी डिमांडेड डिक्रीज होगा. जैसे डिमांड, जैसे प्राइस डिक्रीज होगा, क्वांटिटी डिमांड इंक्रीज होगा. इसका मतलब डिमांड रिलेटेड था प्राइस और क्वांटिटी डिमांडेड से, बट सप्लाई इज ऑलवेज रिलेटेड विथ प्राइस, टाइम एंड क्वांटिटी. नाउ व्हाई प्राइस, टाइम एंड क्वांटिटी? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल प्राइस. वेन एवर प्रोड्यूसर जब सोचता है कि मुझे कोई प्रोडक्शन करना है, तो उसके लिए प्राइस, एक प्राइस सोचना पड़ता है उसे, कि विच प्राइस आई शुड पुट ऑन माई प्रोडक्ट, कि जिससे लोग उसे परचेस करेंगे. नेक्स्ट थिंग इज टाइम. टाइम, yes, for example, we will take example of luxurious good, okay, BMW. ना हम लोग यूएसए से ऑर्डर कर रहे हैं फॉर BMW, so it will take a time, obviously it will take a time more than 3 to 4 days. so ये जो टाइम लगा ना 3 to 4 days, it is nothing but the time जो सेलर कंज्यूमर तक पहुंचाने का जितना टाइम लेता है, ओके, दैट इज 3 to 4 days टाइम. मेरी BMW के आपकी BMW आने में 3 to 4 days लगे, so it is nothing but the time. Now quantity is nothing but the stock. How much stock is ready for sale? कितना स्टॉक रेडी है सेल में? How much quantity is ready for sale? For example, we will take an example of quantity. Now, meaning of a supply, the actual meaning of a supply. Supply implies the various quantity of a commodity offered for sale by producing during a given period of a time at a given price. Means what? What is the meaning actual? Supply is nothing but the various quantity of commodity. We can see here the process. First of all, manufacturer से good बन के आएंगे, okay? उसके बाद ये we can take an example, just we'll go back to back. We'll go with consumer, okay? First of all, consumer is ordering. We will take an example of milk, okay? Now consumer is demanded for milk, but consumer को milk मिलेगा कहाँ से? Retailer से. पर retailer when he will get a milk, when he order with wholesaler, जब वो wholesaler को order देगा. बट होलसेलर को कैसे मिलेगा? होलसेलर को मिलेगा डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर से. नाउ हु इज डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर? डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर इज मिडल मैन बिटवीन मैन्युफैक्चरर एंड होलसेलर. ट्रांसपोर्टेशन कंपनी, द डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर इज द पर्सन हु डिस्ट्रीब्यूट द गुड्स ऑफ मैन्युफैक्चरर. जो मैन्युफैक्चरर ने जितने भी गुड्स बनाए हैं उसका डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करने का काम कौन करता है? द डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर. Distributor is the person who is taking the order with wholesaler कि how many products you want, आपको कितने products चाहिए. So after he will get the order, हो जाता है मैन्युफैक्चरर के पास. मैन्युफैक्चरर को बोलता है कि इतने कमोडिटी का ऑर्डर आया है, एंड देन ही विल, जो उसका स्टॉक रेडी है उस स्टॉक में से ही विल सप्लाई हिज product, he will sell his product. So this is the product, this is the chain of supply. For example, is nothing but the total quantity of a commodity offered for sale by producer. Now for example, producer के पास 1 day है, okay, manufacturer और producer both are same. Now producer के पास एक दिन है to make a commodity. ओके, और उसके पास ऑलरेडी डिमांड आ चुकी है, ऑर्डर्स आ चुके हैं कि मुझे इतने प्रोडक्ट्स चाहिए. सो ही हैव ओनली 1 डे. सो विद इन दैट 1 डे जो जितना प्रोडक्शन वो कर सकता है और जितना सेल के लिए वो स्टॉक ओपन कर सकता है, दैट इज नथिंग बट द supply. Supply is nothing but the total quantity of a commodity offered for a sale by a producer during a given period of a time. Now, but here at a given price, manufacturers, according to Paul Samuelson, Paul Samuelson is the economist who described the supply. Supply means kya? First of all, supply is nothing but the relationship between market price and amount of a good. It is the relationship between market price and amount of a good. For example, now there is a one good, that is, we will take an example of petrol. Okay. Now petrol is the commodity, but usually at this time, whenever पेट्रोल मैन्युफैक्चर करना, ओके, पेट्रोल जो हमें जमीन के अंदर से मिलता है, वी विल गेट फ्रॉम अंडर द डीप ऑफ द लैंड, वो मिलना भी जरूरी है. यस, yes, we can take an example of cooking oil also. So cooking oil, yes, we will take example of cooking oil. Now in the cooking oil, what happened? The price are increasing day by day. Why it is increasing? Because the stock is not ready somewhere, the demand is increasing, demand ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा आ रही है और सप्लाई नहीं हो रहा है. Yes, so because of this the price are increasing. The supply is nothing but the relationship between market price. Now for example, we will take example of Gemini, or we will take example of Saffola cooking oil. Okay, so Saffola cooking oil is max to max prices. We will imagine, okay, prices 200. Why the price is 200? The 200 price is nothing but the market price. Market में क्या price है उसका? 200. So 200 is nothing but the market price and the amount of goods that producer are willing to supply. But अब producers ने लगभग 250 लीटर्स, ओके, 250 नॉट 2500 लीटर्स सफोला ऑयल्स प्रोड्यूस कर लिए हैं, ओके, थ्रू सम मैन्युफैक्चरिंग. सो अभी अवेलेबल है उसके पास 2500 लीटर कुकिंग ऑयल, बट उसमें से वो सिर्फ अवेलेबल फॉर सेल, विलिंग टू सप्लाई, मतलब वो कितना सप्लाई करना चाहता है, उसमें से 1200 लीटर ओनली. Why 1200 liter? Why not 2500 liter, student? This, it is a tabular representation, and here the functional relationship. There is a functional relationship between quantity supplied, and price of commodity. There is a relationship between a quantity supplied and the price of commodity. Okay, this is nothing but the supply schedule. Now supply schedule is divided into two parts: individual supply schedule and market supply schedule. It is divided into two parts: individual supply schedule and market supply schedule. First we will go with the individual supply schedule. Now what is individual supply schedule? Here in individual demand schedule, individual supply schedule is nothing but the tabular representation. It is a tabular representation where we can say that, yes, this is the individual means what, student? Yes, individual means one person. So in this individual supply schedule, we are talking about only one producer. Okay. So individual supply schedule is nothing but a tabular representation quantity where quantity of a commodity, that is producer are willing to sell, that is producer are willing to sell, and the relationship between price. As I told you, supply is nothing